In the heart of the Amazon, a new dawn is rising. Connecting technology, ancestral wisdom, and conservation. Too often, knowledge remains disconnected from real opportunities. Communities face barriers to education, tools, and sustainable tourism. Explore culturally adapted modules created with local communities and Cornell Lab of Ornithology, providing a professional and multidisciplinary platform where not only students on ornithology but biology, tour guidance, and environmental leadership can learn and become active part of the paradigm change in travel industry, promoting a more experience-focused travel offer, inviting visitors to discover the most wonderful facts about birds and their role in our ecosystems. With AURORA, you can access practical workshops and step-by-step activities designed for schools, community centers, or even remote villages, using locally available materials. From urban classrooms to isolated Amazon communities, AURORA brings learning to life, inspiring everyone to discover, protect, and share the unique bird life and culture around them. Next, gamification, multi-language expansion, and scaling to Latin America and entire planet. AURORA empowers guides, students, and families to protect what makes the Amazon unique. With AURORA, the forest becomes a living classroom. Join us and be part of the change.